My name is Dennis Nash. I'm the President and CEO of Control Station. Digital Lifecycle Solutions is Control Station's approach to delivering value-added, software-enabled services to process manufacturers. Control Station's customers benefit in a variety of ways. Primarily, however, these are organizations that have made significant investments in technology. Digital Lifecycle Solutions is a means by which they can magnify the impact and realize the financial gains that those technologies promise. Many process manufacturers struggle meeting their reliability and their sustainability objectives. With Digital Lifecycle Solutions, Control Station is helping these manufacturers achieve those goals by providing, first and foremost, staff augmentation, but maybe more importantly, the experts in the use of technology that allow them to achieve those goals effectively and efficiently.
Hi, I'm Rick Bontadibus. I'm the Vice President of Sales here at Control Station. I think our digital lifecycle services provide value and know-how and expertise to the customer so that we can help them see the value quicker, get to the answers faster, but also have a partnership that they can rely on and have confidence in a supplier that knows what they're doing, has the expertise, and will help them with answers to their questions.
My name is John Stevens. I am the Director of Services at Control Station. DLS has a positive impact on customer goals, primarily because we really aim to be result-driven. Customers depend on us for a number of different expertise or engineering services, whether that's on-site or remote, augmenting their staff's efforts around projects or around initiatives, or it could be things around training, right? Getting their team up to speed around the theory or the fundamentals around PID, how to tune loops, understand control strategies, and other topics. But at the end of the day, the services that we provide really are meant to hone in on what the customer is looking to ultimately achieve. So it's a shared interest.